Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am doing my hair this afternoon. Just trying to wait because I've been sweating all day. But what I'm going to do is I just got through washing my hair. And excuse the voice, y'all. Like I said, I'm going through some sinuses. But I just got through washing my hair with the Aussie Moisture shampoo and conditioner. And we're going to be using Soft, Beautiful, Balance. And this is the light cream moisturizer. So, yeah, we're just going to put this in my hair today. And that's mostly it. Y'all probably can see the curls a little bit. And let's see what this is looking like. I'll turn around and let y'all see the curls in the back. You probably can see that. But I'm saying, it's based on the product. Let me pick up a towel. And I'm going to let this air dry. But, yeah. This is mostly it for today. But, so, yeah. So we're just going to let this air dry. And that is it. Anything. But yeah. So if y'all want to know what hair type I have, I will list everything at the bottom in the description bar. Hope you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.